Okay, so now we will learn how to use maybe, perhaps, and instead in Spanish. So let's try it out. The first word is tal vez. Tal vez. Tal vez means maybe. Tal vez. Maybe. Tal vez. And the second one is quizás, which also means maybe. Quizás, maybe. But quizás also means perhaps. So if you want to use perhaps, you would say quizás. And you can also use quizás when referring to anything related to maybe. So yes, maybe has two words, quizás and tal vez. And perhaps is quizás. Okay, hope it's understandable. So one more time, tal vez, maybe, tal vez, quizás, perhaps, maybe, perhaps, quizás. Okay. And the next one, we also have en vez de. En vez de means instead of. En vez de, en vez de, instead of. Esto en vez de el otro. This instead of the other. Esto en vez del otro. En vez. And you can also say en lugar de eso. Instead of that. En lugar de eso. The word lugar means in place. So it's kind of like saying in place of that. In its place. En lugar de eso. In place of that. So basically instead of that. So the first one, en vez de, instead of, and en lugar de eso, instead of that, en lugar de eso. And let's go for the examples. The first example. Tal vez vaya a Perú durante las vacaciones de verano. Maybe I'll go to Peru during the summer holidays. Tal vez vaya a Perú durante las vacaciones de verano. Tal vez, maybe, vaya a Perú. I will go to Peru durante, during, las vacaciones de verano. The summer vacations. The summer holidays. And the next one. Bueno, well, quizás no es el mejor momento de mi vida. Well, maybe it's not the best time of my life. Maybe it's not the best moment of my life. So yeah, quizás, well, maybe it's not the best moment of my life. Bueno, quizás no es el mejor momento de mi vida. So the phrase is a little dark, but I needed to make a phrase. So yeah, quizás. Bueno, quizás. Well, perhaps. Well, maybe. Okay, the next one. Quiero comer carne en vez de pollo. I want to eat meat instead of chicken. Quiero comer carne en vez de pollo. I want to eat meat en vez instead of chicken, pollo. The next example. ¿Qué quieres hacer en lugar de eso? What do you want to do instead of that? ¿Qué quieres hacer en lugar de eso? What do you want to do instead of that? En lugar de eso. Instead of that. So it's a simple one. It's a simple phrase. And another one. Tal vez juegue tenis en la noche. Maybe I'll play tennis at night. Tal vez, maybe. Juegue tenis en la noche. Maybe I'll play tennis at night. Yo juego. So, yep. This one is subjunctive. Tal vez yo juegue. Maybe I will play. It may be that I'll play tennis at night. It may be that. Tal vez juegue. Maybe, yeah, it's subjunctive. And the next one. Quizás es mejor que me vaya a la casa. Perhaps it's better that I go home. Quizás es mejor que me vaya a la casa. Perhaps it's better that I go home. So yeah, let's try the next one. En vez de ir a Argentina, podemos ir a Chile. En vez, instead of going to Argentina, we can go to Chile. En vez de ir a Argentina, podemos ir a Chile. Instead of going to Argentina, we can go to Chile. This one is simple. The next one. ¿Qué tal? What if? ¿Qué tal? This is not saying, hola, ¿qué tal? Hello, how are you? This is, ¿qué tal si? What if? ¿Qué tal si? So, ¿qué tal si en lugar del BMW compramos el Mercedes? So the word for the BMW brand is BMW. And a lot of people, they just abbreviate it to BM, el BM, the BM, basically, el BM, el BMW. And Mercedes-Benz, we just say Mercedes, Mercedes, el Mercedes, the Mercedes. So yeah, ¿qué tal si en lugar, what if instead of, en lugar del, instead of, del BMW, the BMW, we buy the Mercedes, compramos el Mercedes. So one more time in Spanish, ¿qué tal si en lugar del BMW compramos el Mercedes? What if instead of the BMW, we buy the Mercedes? So that's it for this one. And as always, thanks for watching. So now it's your turn to practice Spanish. You can find the lessons Quizlet by going into the lecture resources folder. Thanks for watching.